Hi, today I will show you how to create a loop using the Erae 2. Let's get started. To access the looper, simply press the loop button. I'm going to create a 4-layer loop. For this demo, I'll set the clock to USB device to stay synced with Ableton Live's metronome. For this, press the parameter button and scroll down to clock source. Choose USB device. I'll also enable the metronome, allowing me to feel the Erae 2 surface vibrate, a very useful feature when using the internal clock. Now let's start by clicking the loop button. You'll notice 3 key parameters. The first one is the number of steps. It defines the loop length. The default is 16 steps, but for this demo I've set it to 64. The second parameter is the time division. Currently set to 1/16, this parameter functions like quantization. At last, the last parameter at the bottom is the BPM. It matches Ableton's live tempo, or an EDAW, since my clock source is set to USB device. With these settings in place, I'm ready to build the loop. Press record once. It will enter a red pulsing state, indicating that it is armed and ready to start recording as soon as the DAW clock kicks in. Now, let's hit the spacebar and start recording. There are a few essential bindings to learn. You can exit the record menu by pressing the button play once. To mute a layout loop, hold one or more layer buttons and press stop. To unmute, hold them and press play. To undo a loop, a part of a loop, you can press the undo button. This will erase the last gesture you performed. By the way, the looper records gestures, not MIDI, making it very useful for looping CV data or experimenting with a single loop across different layouts. To delete an entire loop or multiple loops, hold the layout button and press undo. That's it. You know all about the bindings.